Hey, Patrick. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about our topic today, food and favorites. And honestly, now I'm hungry.
Same here. Talking about food always makes me want a big snack. Oh, wait, we should probably introduce ourselves first.
Right. Hey everyone, I'm Patrick and welcome back to our English conversation practice.
And I'm Shirley. We're so happy you're here with us today. We speak slowly, clearly, and naturally so you can understand everything.
And we talk just like two friends in real life. Nothing formal, nothing too difficult.
Exactly. If you're a beginner or a lower intermediate learner, this is perfect for you.
So today's topic is, drumroll please, food and favorites. One of the easiest and most fun topics to talk about in English.
Yeah. Food is something everyone loves, and everyone has their own favorite dishes, flavors, and memories.
Plus, food conversations happen all the time with friends, coworkers, even strangers.
So if you can talk about food confidently, you can talk to anyone. Okay, Patrick, let's start simple. What did you have for breakfast today?
I had something very American. A big bowl of cereal. Frosted Flakes.
Oh my gosh, you love that cereal.
I do. It's sweet, crunchy, fast, easy, and I'm lazy in the mornings.
I know. You are not a morning person.
Nope, not even a little.
So cereal is your comfort breakfast?
Exactly. What about you? What did you eat?
I had avocado toast.
Of course you did. You and your healthy breakfasts.
Hey, it tastes good and it keeps me full. Plus, I added a little lemon, pepper, and, wait for it, chili flakes.
Fancy.
I try.
Okay, here's a big question. What is your all-time favorite food? Like, if you could only eat one thing for the rest of your life.
Oh man, that is difficult. Let me think. I paused dramatically.
Take your time. This is serious.
Okay, I think I have my answer. Pizza.
Classic.
It's perfect. You have bread, you have cheese, you have sauce, you have toppings. It's warm, comforting, and you can eat it anytime.
Breakfast pizza, lunch pizza, midnight pizza.
Exactly. Pizza doesn't judge you.
That's true. Pizza is loyal.
Okay, your turn. What's your number one favorite food?
Easy. Burgers.
I knew it.
Juicy, warm, messy, delicious. Everything I love in a food.
Do you like simple burgers or the big fancy gourmet ones?
Oh, simple. Just cheese, lettuce, tomato, and ketchup. Classic American style.
Sounds good.
Okay, Patrick, next question. What's a food from another country that you really love? Ooh, I love Japanese ramen. The rich broth, the noodles, the soft-boiled egg, the pork, everything.
Yes, ramen is amazing.
But I also love Mexican food. Tacos, burritos, nachos.
Okay, now you're making me hungry.
Same. What about you? Favorite international food?
Thai food. Pad Thai, green curry, mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice is one of the best desserts on earth.
Yes, it's sweet, soft, warm, cold, all at the same time.
Let's get a little personal. What's a food that reminds you of your childhood?
Mashed potatoes.
Really?
Yeah, my mom made them every Sunday night. Creamy mashed potatoes with butter and a little garlic. When I was sad or stressed, that was my comfort food.
Aw, that's sweet.
What about you?
Grilled cheese sandwiches. My dad used to make them for me when I watched cartoons. Crispy bread, melted cheese, simple but perfect.
That's adorable. Food memories are so emotional.
They really are.
Okay, let's talk snacks. Everyone loves snacks.
Yes, we do.
What's your number one favorite snack?
Popcorn, especially movie theater popcorn.
With butter?
Oh, absolutely with butter, like too much butter.
Same. Okay, my favorite snack is chocolate.
Dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate. I know dark chocolate is healthier, but milk chocolate makes me feel happy.
Respect. Chocolate is emotional support food.
Talking about cooking skills. Patrick, be honest. Are you good at cooking?
No, absolutely not. I burn toast. I burn pancakes. I once burned water.
How do you burn water?
I forgot the pot on the stove and all the water evaporated and smoke.
Wow, that's talent.
Thank you. I am a kitchen disaster.
Okay, I'm not perfect, but I do enjoy cooking. I love making soups, pasta, salads.
Yeah, you're definitely the better cook here.
Talking about eating out. What kind of restaurants do you enjoy?
Cozy ones, small cafes, quiet places with soft music.
I like diners. They feel homey, friendly, simple.
And the portions are huge.
Yes, American diners never let you leave hungry.
Talking about taste preferences. Are you a sweet person or a savory person?
Savory. Burgers, fries, pizza, salty snacks. I love them.
I'm more sweet. Chocolate, pastries, cakes, ice cream,
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
cookies and cream.
Same.
Really?
Yes, it's the perfect balance. Creamy, crunchy, sweet, everything.
Talking about food habits. How many meals do you eat per day?
Usually 2, because I wake up late.
I eat 3, but sometimes 4 if I'm stressed.
Food is therapy. Approved.
Talking about trying new foods. Are you adventurous with food?
Sometimes. I like trying new things, but not super spicy foods.
Same. I love trying new flavors, but if it makes my eyes water, no thank you. Talking about healthy eating. Do you try to eat healthy?
I try. I fail. I try again. I fail again. You know how it goes.
Yeah. Eating healthy is hard, especially when everything delicious is unhealthy.
Exactly.
Talking about food dreams. If you could eat anything right now, what would it be?
A giant cheeseburger with fries.
Yum. I would choose a big slice of pizza.
Classic.
Wrapping up. Final takeaway. Okay, everyone. This was so fun to talk about. Food is such an easy and friendly topic to practice English with.
Yeah, you can talk about breakfast, snacks, favorite dishes, restaurants. There's always something to say.
And you can practice with anyone, your friends, classmates, teacher, or even with us in the comments.
Let us know below. What is your favorite food?
And where are you from? We love hearing about food from around the world.
Thanks for listening, practicing, and learning with us today.
Take care, eat something delicious, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!